further we will continue with this problem. Now this is a diagram which they have given. We will convert this single line diagram into the impedance diagram. So we are having the reactance for this one. We are having 10% reactance. Okay, 10% reactance. This is 8% reactance. So what I will do, I will take this one reactance. This is okay. 10 means it is J 0.1. Okay, next is J 0.1, J 0.1. Next again another is transformer, again one reactance I'll put. This is J 0.08. Now this is a resistance is there. Now this has become the impedance diagram we have to find. Now we have to find the voltage, we have to find the load. For this load current we have to find, and for this we have to find voltage input, that also question. So what we will do first, we will see this is nothing but we have to find the first in this one. In this one we got this per unit reactance as 0.63. okay, this as we got, we will represent this one 0.63 plus this one as a J0 we will represent. We are having this is per unit, this is nothing but PU, we call it as per unit for this one. So we will calculate the voltage at load is equal to how much. Now it is, we are having some 66 value. Okay, 66 is there and another value 69 voltage. We are having 69 voltage. Here they have given it was a 69 kV. Okay, but it is working, this load is working at what, at 66 kV it is a working. Okay, here total if you see this winding it can transfer 69 kV, but now it is getting only 66. So we can find voltage at the load, that is 0.957 plus J0 per unit as given. Okay, now the load current, we have to find the load current. Load current, what is the load current? Now this is the voltage, what is this is V. Okay, V it is there, V, and this is R, this is R. So I, if you want to find I is nothing but V divided by R. What is the V? V is 0.957 plus J0 divided by, what is R? R is 0.63 plus J0. What we get? We are getting 1.52 plus J0 per unit. We are getting this value. Now I will find next is voltage input. What is in? So input voltage is V is equal to what we have to get? We have to get the load current and the resistance. V is equal to, that is IR. What is R? I we already got, this is I. Okay, this is I is 1.52 plus J0. Okay, J0 means its value is 0 only. It is values, this value is nothing but 0 only. Again, what is R? Again we have to consider this value also. Stop. Now we have to find voltage input. So for voltage input we have to, that is nothing but V in. Okay, V in, that is IR, total current into resistance, plus voltage at the load what we have found. So what is I we have got, this I we have got as a load current as 15.52, that is we got J0, that is next R we have to R, this is R. Okay, that is R is 0.1 and 08. So put this value, that is J is 0.10 plus 0.08. Okay, this is value, and we got this as a load at output. This is a load at output, we got at load voltage at load. So we got this, put this value. Okay, that is 0.957. So we will get the value input voltage. In is voltage input is equal to, that is 0.995 per unit. So regulation, voltage regulation, we know that voltage regulation is the voltage input minus voltage at load divided by voltage input. So that is, we are getting input voltage 0.99 minus 0.957 divided by 0.957, that is input, we get into 100. So percentage regulation is equal to 3.97%.